Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the AC compressor on a 2011 Ford Fusion. Start by disconnecting the battery and recovering refrigerant using approved equipment. Remove the drive belt, disconnect electrical connectors, and unbolt high and low lines with line wrenches. Support the compressor, remove mounting bolts, and swap the clutch or pulley if needed. Install the new compressor, replace O-rings with manufacturer parts, evacuate the system, and recharge with the correct refrigerant. I'll walk you through removing the old compressor step by step, keeping it friendly and clear. Start by lifting the car and safely supporting it on stands, then remove the serpentine belt to access the compressor. Label and disconnect electrical connectors and refrigerant lines, using line wrenches to avoid rounding fittings. Support the compressor from below and remove mounting bolts carefully. Clean the mounting surface and inspect brackets before preparing for installation. When installing the replacement compressor, torque and alignment matter for long life. Pre-fill the compressor with the specified oil amount if required and swap compressor-specific O-rings with clean refrigerant oil. Align the clutch or pulley and torque mounting bolts to factory specs, then reconnect lines with clean fittings to prevent leaks. Replace the serpentine belt, reconnect the battery, and run a vacuum test to ensure no leaks before recharging the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.